thunder. A woman almost got shot.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh my gosh!
What?
Yeah, that's a lot of mail.
So many people love me.
You don't
We
have
need an extra chair.
Okay, here, Papa, you can be blue.
You don't want to be blue? Okay, not you.
Oh, please.
Adeline, put yours in your cup because you got small hands. One, and if you have a one, you set it off to the side. It's a speed game, so you want to race to the one to get all ones.
Yep. I want blue.
And when you get all ones, you yell Tenzi. Because there's 10 dice.
I'm just going with
Pretty
one.
basic, yeah?
I'm
Ready?
just going with one at a time.
Set, go.
I'm just going with two. Jesse.
Adeline, don't worry about everybody else.
Baby.
You and me.
Oh, God, Tenzi! Last, keep going.
No.
Yep,
Addy won't. Is when you roll all 4 4s, and then all 3 3s, and then 2 2s, and then 1 1, but you stack them.
Okay, I can't.
Oh!
How to play this
Okay,
game?
so 4 4s, 3 3s, 2 2s, 1 1, pyramid seed.
1 1.
Got it?
Lindsay.
You are not cool at all. I'm on 3s. Tenzi! You were so good.
Okay, now I'm good.
All right.
Now he's happy.
Ready?
I'm always happy.
Set. Go.
Where are you Lindsay? What's the matter? What's the matter? Taste and defeat. Taste and
Tenzi!
Directions game. When they pop off the bed, we lose. They just stop.
What?
I'm confused. Okay.
Now you landed on a number space. So you get to put 2, you see the 2 monkeys on the bed. Put 2 of your monkeys. No, leave that guy there. Put 2 of your monkeys on the bed. Pretend to take a bath. There you go. falling asleep again? Wake up. Push the button. Okay, push that button. 1. Push it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
You want to push a button just for fun?
Right, okay.
So we don't.
Kind of make it up as they go. I'm brand new at it. Right.
Like this is a double? That's a double one.
Double this, double this.
Double that?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we got.
What is this? It's the train rolling through. Oh, it didn't do anything.
That's
Get it. Get the marshmallow. Get it.
You play on
Okay.
yourself or you play on the train.
So I can do this.
No, he doesn't have a train up no more.
Oh,
You can play on that one
Okay.
or you.
these two right here.
I can go.
You done?
I think.
You done?
Oh no. I gotta play on me first to
Right.
unlock my train, and it's a double.
Oh, you turd.
So
Okay.
He
He says, okay, I will.
How do you unlock that with that number?
He didn't unlock it.
That's just
Okay.
what I had to
He locked
play.
He locked
So,
it.
that's just-
Because
there's
he
that.
played
she
this,
didn't
it was
lock
on
it.
there.
Yeah, she didn't
He's
lock
allowed
it.
to, but since
Oh, okay, so it's my turn and I can actually play and get my train back. Choo choo.
the chin is about right. Yeah.
Wait. You do this?
Yes.
Oh,
No,
has
wrong
to
double.
be, has to be the double.
That's the wrong
It'd
double.
have to be the double what you're connecting to.
no, over there.
I got to play on myself before I can do anything else.
Oh, you are.
I'm down to 1.
Train. After Rich had to put his train.
Unless somebody.
You know, it's not easy for me to think.
Strain a
You're the
brain.
Oh, I know it. It's a mind game. Play on you
And you can play your double.
here.
Yeah, I shouldn't tell you that, but see, I helped him.
Okay.
That's the only one he
That's
gets
the
to
first.
know.
Here.
I'm sorry, I didn't even see that. Thank you.
That's all I'm telling you.
All right. Listen to it.
Hey,
Win
this
him
all-
again. I think his train is
Okay.
ready.
Man, I can't count that far.
18.
Oh.
So.
I love him very much. I'm done.
That clock isn't working. Oh, that's not a clock. Well, yeah, it is a clock, but it's just
Okay, that's it, I think.
Dylan always
Oh,
used
wait a
to say
minute.
happy day
Oh,
to
I
you
said
instead
that.
of happy
Okay.
birthday to you. And she would sing happy day to you. So I could have some yogurt, couldn't I? Strawberry?
Okay, I have
turn.
strawberry.
Okay.
What do you want,
Busy
Mommy?
putting in my order.
Oh, for breakfast?
I'm sorry.
I want eggs in a
I'm gonna
basket
take
with
the
the
train
yolk.
back.
Okay.
Okay.
But don't eat that many, please.
Okay.
They're super huge.
Are they?
Like they're this big.
Is that ostrich egg? Wow. I've actually had ostrich egg.
Really?
Yeah.
Rick, what do you like
They're, I mean,
to eat?
they're
Captain Crunch.
Okay, I have that.
What do I want? I want French toast.
Okay, I have that.
Okay.
I couldn't get waffles.
Did I got everyone? Did I got everyone?
You got everyone. Yeah.
Great.
Great. That's
Let
how I
me
felt
spell
about
it.
it. Come back in the morning and make breakfast. So,
Here, Mommy.
Well, thanks.
She got more than I did.
Well, you just
What?
didn't order enough.
It's Erika's.
Here, Rick. Here comes yours.
What is this?
Here you go.
What is that?
What you ordered?
What did I order?
Look,
You don't remember?
I'm done.
that's what you asked for. There you go.
Thank you. French toast. Yeah. You didn't bring the syrup.
Mine's all gone.
she needs syrup with her.
That's
Apple ate all his.
this is
Did you use that for real?
No, don't tell her that. The winner was Ricky, 288.
Then I got yours.
Yeah, they're right
Second
here.
was Jenny, 419. I had 420.
I trying to catch you.
Come close, but you've had about.
I won at losing.
Yes!
First is the highest one.
See, I got the highest points. That means
That
something.
means
Well,
something.
should.
That means you lost. That's what it means.
been just by your grandma.
Woo! Okay.
She had less than 800.
What?
There you go.
She had less than 800.
You just.
39.
Shoot. We're counting down.
30 seconds.
What the?
Yeah, it takes a long time to draw.
I'm surprised they're not like, just like not like louder.
10, 1, 2,
11 team.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy New Year.
Excuse me.
I know you don't understand what's going on, but Happy New Year.
Grandpa! I would.
Daughters. Happy New Year.
No. There's two of us.
Okay.
Okay.